I got a gun here that doesn't work. I got a Bostitch staple gun here that doesn't staple anymore. What you do is you take this out first. So loosen this thing here, and push this down, and to remove the cartridge or the clip. And you see this part here, it should be back all the way here. It should go back all the way. I got another one here. You see how this thing is in the back? This one is right here. So we're gonna do, I have to remove this with the Allen wrench. Let's see what size this is. Yeah, it looks like it's a 4. I got it from here, so we're just gonna assume it's a 4mm. So I'm gonna remove this first, then you'll see. I loosen up all the Allen screw. Alright, I was able to push it with so I was able to push it with the Allen wrench. Now it's loose. And it should be able to fire now. Okay, put everything back. So actually you don't even have to loosen this one. If you can just push it without removing this, then it's fine. If you can't, then just loosen it up. Now it's loose now. It should fire now. We'll see. So it's this way. Line up the bottom. Little tab, the little thing, you have to push this down to line up to the hole. See the thing that's sticking out there? Line that up. Hard to do this with one hand. Okay, it's in. And just push this back. There you go. Now let's test it. Alright, now we try again. Work it. Fix it. That's it. That's how you fix something, staple gun that is not stapling. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.